to start with purple on bottom and pink on top. So I look for the purples, match a purple there, and go to blue. White's already matched up. There's the yellow. We can move it up to pink and find yellow. And then drop it down to purple. There's green. Up to pink. Find dark green. Struggling to find dark green. Shouldn't have. There's that one. Then there's the orange. Orange was right there. Just match the orange and then drop it down, and we'll have all of the purples pieces in place there, matched up with their corresponding colors. And then I look for any purple along the edges here. There's a purple, orange, and blue, which goes in this spot, so I'll put it over there. Now I want an orange and blue. So I find the orange and blue, which is right there. Need to move it up and out. And then put it on top with the pink. And right over this one, which goes here. And then I do want purple on the side because it's on the bottom. I do want orange and blue to be opposite. And then I want the blue to be on the purple side in this spot. So I'll move it down to save it, move that one into place. I can reach up and grab it, put it into that spot. Here's the white, green, and purple. So I will move it around to the right spot, which is right here. Then I need the white and green. Which is right there. I move it up to the pink. And over. Purple's on top. I want it on one of the sides. Since I have white up here, I'll put green on the side. Drop it back down. Purple on the side, white and green opposite, and this one's on the purple side, so I can just reach up and grab it and put it down. Yellow, white, and purple over this spot, and then I need yellow and white. It's right there. I can just reach up and grab that one. And then green, blue, and purple. And the color I need is right there, green and blue. They're next to each other. With green up, I'm going to put blue up on this side, go twice to save that, bring it back. Now I want this piece over here where the purple is on this side, so I'll just bring it down to save it, bring it over, and I can reach up and grab it and put it in. And that leaves me my last purple right here, which needs to go over to yellow and orange. And then I need the yellow and orange, which is right there. I always like to put it on top. Orange is showing, so I'll put up yellow. It's on the right side of the purple, so I can reach up and grab it. and that will complete the bottom portion. Then I'm going to create feathers. So I need the orange, yellow, and green. Orange, yellow, and green. It's right on top of the pink. So I want to match the green with the green middle, and I can drop it right down to create the bottom of the first feather. I call it a feather because it'll have this shape. Now I look for the green orange and the green yellow. The green yellow is right there, so I'll move that up and over. Then I can drop this down to save it and put the yellow in place with the green. Put that back. Then I need the orange and green, which is right there, and I can put that on top with the orange and move it over. I want to match green, so I'll match it on the side. And then I'll drop this down to save it and put it into place. There's my first feather. Now I'm going to rotate and get a yellow, white, blue feather. Yellow, white, blue is right there. So I'll move it to the top, match the two blues, and then I can drop it down. I need blue, yellow, and blue, white. There's the blue, yellow. I'll move that up and match the blue. Save this piece down here by hiding it. Drop that into place and bring that hidden one back up. Then I need blue and white, which is back there. I'll move it up to the pink side, which is top. Now to put this one into place, I need to actually save this feather by dropping this. And then I can drop this to save it and hide it. Put this one into place, back up for that feather, put this feather back into place. So this feather's in place, this feather's in place. Now I'll move to white, green, and red. White, green, and red. It's probably already seen it, and I'm just not capturing it. There it is. So I want to move that up. There's no feathers to mess up, so I'll move that up to orange. Move this over, match the reds here, and I can drop that down to create the first part of the feather. Then I need red and white and red and green. And red and white's already on top with the pink. There's no feathers to mess up over here, so I can just drop and hide this one. Put that into place, and bring that back up. Then I need red and green, which happens to be over here. There's no feathers to mess up, so I can just put it on top with the pink. Instead of matching it here, I want to match the red, so I'll bring the red on the side. And again, I want to save this feather, so I'll bring it up, hide this one, and then put that red and green in place. Bring that feather back up, it's done. Bring that feather on this side back into place. So I've got 3 feathers. Now I need the green, blue, and beige feather. And it's right here. There's no feather to mess up on this side, so I can move this up, and I've already matched the beige with beige in the middle, so I can drop that right down to create the first part of the feather. Now I need the beige green and the beige blue. There's the beige blue. I'm going to move this up and over to match these beiges. And then to put it in this spot, I need to save this feather, hide that point, drop that down, bring that back, put that feather back. Now I need the beige green. And the beige green's over here. I don't want to mess up these feathers, so I'm going to bring this up to pink, move it out of the way, and move that one back so that feather stays. That gives me this piece. There's no feather on this side, so I can just drop this to hide it, bring this one into place, and finish that feather. There's only one feather left. I need the blue, orange, and gray feathers. And that's right here. So I'm going to bring it up to pink and out, put that feather back. Match up gray. Now this feather's done, so to match gray, I'm going to drop this down to match the gray, put it into place where it needs to be, and then put that feather back on this side. That feather's all the way around except for here. Now I need gray and blue and gray and orange. Here's the gray and blue on top. So this feather is done, so I'm going to save it and drop this one down to save this one. Move that into place, bring that back up to match here, and then put this feather back. Now I just need the gray-orange feather, which is right there on top. So I'm going to save this feather on this side, that's already done, and then drop these two down to hide them, and then I can drop this orange down into the right spot, put this one back for this completed feather, and then put this feather back. So all the feathers are done all the way around. Now I'll work on these pieces all the way around. So in this situation I need orange, green, and gray. Orange, green, and gray happens to be right here. I'll put it over the spot it needs to be, and then I need to find the gray and the green, which happens to be right here. I do want orange on the side, which it is. I do want green on, well, green and gray to be opposite, and they are. And the gray is on the side of the orange. I can just reach right up and grab it and put that one into place. Now I need green, yellow, and blue. It's already in the right spot for positioning. And this is already in the right spot. But with the yellow on this side, I want this piece over here. So I will hide this one, move the top around to that spot, put it back, and that feather also corrects. And then they are opposite colors, green and blue, and the yellow in the right spot. So I just reach up and grab that one, put it into place. Now I want to work on the red, white, and blue, which is right here. So I'll bring it up, over, and put this feather back. And then I need the blue and the red, which happens to be on top already. Red is showing, so I want blue up, white on the side, because the white's on the bottom here. So I'll put blue up, move it out of the way, put this feather back, and I can move this blue, white back. And they're already opposite colors, red and blue, and white's on the side and red's right there, so I can just reach up and grab it. Now I have the green, red, and beige. It's right here. I need the red and beige, which is right here. Green's on the side. The colors are opposite, but I need this piece over here now. This isn't done yet, so I can go ahead and hide this one down, put that in the right spot, and then just reach right up and grab it. And then I have one left. It's the blue, beige, and gray, which is right here. And then the beige and gray, which is right next to it. The colors are already opposite, and the blue's on the side, so I want this piece here. But I can't just do this because that'll mess up this piece. So I'm gonna only mess with this part by moving this over and then hiding this one down and moving that into the right spot, and then bringing this back up and back into the right position. Then I can again just reach up, grab it, and put it into the right spot. And so now all that's left is the top level. We already have a pink star, which I would have tried to get first, but now I want to match these sides. So I'm looking to see if any sides already match. I got a blue match here and a beige match here. And so I'm going to put the two that match, one of them down here and one of them up in this 2 o'clock position or 1 o'clock position. And then this gray needs to go to here, this green to here, and this red here over to here. So these three pieces need to rotate counterclockwise. And that can be accomplished by moving this piece up twice, the top twice, move this piece back, the top once, move the pink back the other direction, and then put this white back, and then bring it back down. That will match up all of the sides. Now I just need to put each of these corners in place, but before I do that, I need to make all of these pink on top, even though they may not be in the right place. This is already pink on top, and I can do that by just starting to move them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you do all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like it's out of whack, but just leave it in this orientation and then shift over and do the same thing to put this pink into place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That pink is in place and it does solve everything here, but you still have 2 left, and you can match those up again, it wouldn't matter. So we get these 2 pink now by doing the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That pink is up. Move this one over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll solve everything here. Match these sides back up. Now all the pinks are in place. Now this one's in place and this one's in place, and these 3 just need to be fixed. So I will start with this one right here. It's the beige and the red, and I'm going to go hide it out here. Put this top part back up. The beige and the red is right here, so I'll put that in that position. Drop down and put that back in that spot. Now this one carries the beige and gray, so it goes in this spot. So I'll move it down and put it into place. And then this one carries the blue and green, which is the last one. We'll put it into place. And that will solve the cube.